guys, nandito tayo sa Abu Dhabi Airport. Ito yung pinakabagong airport nila. So, ayun. Samahan nyo akong mag-travel. And may pupuntahan tayo for today. Tayo mag-out of the country ulit after 1 year. So, yun. Samahan nyo ako sa ating bagong journey ulit. So, yeah. Hi love! So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa loob ng airport. Tapos na tayo sa immigration. Ayan. So, ayan, excited ako pakita sa inyo kung saan ba talaga tayo pupunta. At ayun. So, ayan, sana talaga hindi masyadong mauga sa inyo tong video na to. I'm trying my best na mag-video ng maayos. So, ayan. Wala nang hiyaan to, girl. So, ayan, pupunta tayo ng Pearl Lounge ngayon dahil, ayun nga, meron tayong Mastercard app. Ayan, explain ko sa inyo mamaya kung bakit. And, ayan. Guys, ayan, naka-jacket kasi tayo. Naka-hoodie jacket tayo ngayon. So, ayan. Nandito tayo sa Pearl Lounge. So, yung lounge na to is accepted siya kapag meron kang Mastercard, yung mga credit cards mo, ganyan. Pwede siya. So, pwede kang mag-avail ng lounge sa kanila. And then, ayun, meron silang free food. So, ako kumuha na ako ng Coca-Cola na light and maliit na Sprite kasi maliit lang yung sizes nila. And pwede kang kumuha ng food. Ayan, may buffet doon. Pwede kang bumalik ng bumalik as long as kaya ng sikmura mo. Kung gusto mo rin namang mag-uwi or magdala ng food, pwede din naman. So yun, ngayon, habang nag-aantay tayo ng flight kasi 6 AM pa yung flight natin. So samahan niyo akong kumain ngayon. Okay? Pupunta na kami dun sa mismong pagde-departan. So, yun. Sobrang ganda niya, B. Ito yung bagong airport ng Abu Dhabi.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
So, ayan, nandito na tayo, nakaupo na tayo sa ating upuan. Nasa window seat tayo, of course. So, ayan. First time kong bumiyahe, no? Wala akong katabi na kasama. So, nasa ibang seat sila. So, ako lang yung nandito. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung kalalabasan. Actually, 3 hours lang naman yung biyahe. So, okay lang naman siya. Balitaan ko kayo mamaya kapag nakarating na kami doon or nakaland.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me.
We're expecting to land after 3 hours of flight as I previously said earlier. But after we entered Azerbaijan airspace, we experienced heavy turbulence that made landing the plane almost impossible. I blurred myself out because you're going to see the fear painted on my face. This was the other clip that I filmed during the heavy turbulence. Some of the children are crying and some people started praying because it's really terrifying. The pilot circled around many times, and after an hour, we finally landed. Kudos to the pilots for their amazing flying skills.
to mislead.
Ito na. Ito na.
Just say it's real.
Hi guys! Hi! We're here in Bago!
Cause I've at least to touch it. You're pressing on my body. Babe, let me tell you something. How many fall in love?
Papunta na tayo sa ating accommodation. Papunta na tayo sa accommodation kasama ating mga friends. Antayin yung ating ibang mga tourist spot na pupuntahan. So for today, thank you muna tayo sa ating videographer. Ready na ba kayo? Napaka-excited na namin. Sobrang excited. So, hi loves! Nandito tayo sa Baku, Azerbaijan. Ayan, as you can see, touchdown na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa pinaka-city nila. So, ang maganda lang dito, dun sa accommodation na pinuntahan namin, is nandito na yung parang tourist spot ng city. So, ayan. As you can see, sa likod ko, ayan, may park na dyan. Ayan, pwede ka nang maglibot-libot dyan. Sabi nila, paggabi maganda daw dito. So, excited na akong ipakita sa inyo kung ano pa yung meron na tourist spot etong Azerbaijan. So, sobrang happy lang ako kasi after 1 year, nakapag-travel ulit ako kasi last time, nag-travel na ako sa Tbilisi. So, ngayon, sa Baku naman.
Çaydan nefret Meryem. Meryem. Zaten akıl çeri bağımlısı kısan çok ilginç
So, for today, ayan, kakain muna kami, maghahanap muna kami ng kakainan. Ayun.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my
We're going to the old cities.
the sun.
Hello!
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will.
Hi, annyeong.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did.
So, Miss Ella, kamusta naman?
Kapoy good ba?
Pero nag-enjoy ka?
I like the Narnia part. I had
Of
a door
course.
plus the lamppost of Narnia. I saw it. I saw it with my own eyes.
So, yung napuntahan namin dito ngayon is punong-puno siya ng tulips. As in, iba't ibang kulay ng tulips. Ang ganda!
Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, 'cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my